Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email on Zedge's application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email on Zedge, firstly go ahead and launch open your Zedge application. The home page of Zedge account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Settings. You will end up on the settings page of your Zedge account. Now tap on Zedge account option and click on Manage account. On the next page, tap on Email address. Enter a new email address that you'd like to change to in the given text box and tap on Change Email option. A verification code will be sent to your new email address for confirmation. Enter verification code sent to your email address and tap on Verify. Your email address will be changed in no time. This is how you can change email on Zedge application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.